So I picked up this Rivian R1S Keyfob from the Rivian forums from a user named Brad, and essentially I had a bit of an issue when I went to go pair it because it is a Gen 1 Keyfob, but when I took it into Rivian, they told me that they couldn't pair it because it's an R1S fob, and you can tell because it's got a trunk picture right there, and it also says some stuff on the inside about being for an R1S. So I just kind of took that at face value, went back to the house, was a little sad, but after that, got back on the forum and saw some people talking about the Gen 2 key fobs from the R1S and R1T working on the opposite vehicle. And so I decided to take it back to the shop. And there was another guy in the forum, man, I forgot your name, so I apologize. But he said that he had, in fact, an R1T key fob that he was using on an R1S for Generation 1. And Generation 1 is from 2022 to 2024, I believe. And so this prompted me to head back into the service center, totally unannounced, and talked to a guy who was there. His name was Brady. Luckily, he was in from the Denver office, so he's not the same guy I worked with before. And he was actually able to jump on the computer, unpair this from the old vehicle, and pair it with my vehicle. So now, you can see, it works. So if you can get your hands on a Gen 1 Rivian key fob for your Gen 1 Rivian, whether it's an R1S or an R1T, you can use it. And this trunk button actually works for the tailgate. See? There she is. All right, that's all for now. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.